Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, head of the St. Andrews Central Police, Senior Superintendent Marlon Nesbitt, says an investigation is underway after items were stolen from Stock and Securities Limited Wednesday night. TVJ News understands that at least 5 laptop computers were removed from the office on Hope Road.
We are in the process now of determining, based on our interviews with persons at the entity, if that is in fact so, 1, and 2, how many of those items and any other item that might have been stolen as a fact. We are carrying out other investigative processes to determine, especially when this happened, and any other pertinent bit of information can help us as we seek to make a breakthrough in the matter.
The investment firm has been at the center of a multi-billion-dollar fraud probe. The Financial Investigations Division, FID, reported this week that the fraud is now over $30 million. Some 200 clients have been affected at the financial institution.
In the meantime,